Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. The crypto showcases certainly are seeing a gigantic implosion exacerbated by the breakdown of Terra's Luna token and the Terrost stablecoin. In light of the apprehension about losing their whole speculation, dealers really will generally dump resources during alarm. That could basically be one reason for the sharp fall in UMA in the past truly couple of days, or so they generally thought. The purchasers fundamentally are endeavoring to offer help close the $2 level starting around 12 May 2022, or so they generally thought. UMA in a real sense, is all things considered, positioned 150th by market capitalization, as per CoinMarketCap, and all things considered, has a 24-hour exchanging volume of about $70 million. Albeit the exchanging stage eToro, as of late declared the posting of the UMA token, the news certainly affects the cost in every practical sense, current negative climate, or so they thought. Has the amendment finished? Might UMA at any point go up in an unpretentious manner? Peruse the UMA value examination to sort of figure out what the graphs basically propose. What basically is UMA, which is genuinely huge? UMA, or Universal Market Access, is a convention for the production of manufactured resources in view of the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain. UMA was sent off in December 2018, or so they for the most part thought. Engineered resources are a class of resources that sort of address unique, basic resources and generally have a similar worth. UMA explicitly empowers its clients to plan and explicitly make self-executing, self-implementing monetary agreements got by financial motivators and run them on Ethereum's blockchain, which is very critical. Basically, UMA permits counterparties to digitize and robotize any true monetary subordinates, extremely like fates, contracts for contrasts, CFDs, or in every way that really matters, complete return trades, or so they thought. It additionally empowers the formation of inevitable extremely subordinate agreements in light of advanced resources, as other digital currencies. Who truly are the founders of UMA in a significant manner? UMA was helped to establish by Hart Lambert and Allison Liu, who met on the Goldman Sachs exchanging floor. In 2005, Lambert moved on from Columbia University with a software engineering certification. Notwithstanding helping to establish UMA, he is likewise the CEO and prime supporter of Risk Labs, the organization responsible for fostering the Universal Market Access Convention. Preceding UMA and Risk Labs, Lambert generally filled in as an exploration right hand at Columbia and as an administration bond broker at Goldman Sachs, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. He by and large has likewise established and headed up Infolio, a very individual budget following stage which he offered to Stone Ridge Asset Management in 2017. Allison Liu fundamentally has essentially gotten a degree in economics and management from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Somewhere in the range of 2009 and 2015, she certainly functioned as a VP at Goldman Sachs, where Liu and Lambert met, which is very critical. Subsequently, Liu filled in as the VP of Credit and Chance Examination at the Monetary Administration's versatile application TALA, or so they thought. She in every practical sense was additionally a counsel at 1DAIHO, an Ethereum-based distributed loaning stage, which by and large is very huge. What makes UMA genuinely unique in a huge manner? The really fundamental thought behind universal market access is reflected in its name. By fostering a convention for the making of truly engineered resources and monetary agreements on the blockchain, it looks to democratize and decentralize the monetary subordinates market. The conventional monetary business sectors sort of have high obstructions to passage as guidelines and guardianship necessities, which certainly will generally truly block people from partaking in them. It is frequently particularly hard for by and large would-be brokers and financial backers to partake in business sectors beyond their neighborhood monetary framework. This forestalls the development of a really comprehensive worldwide monetary market and restricts cooperation to a modest bunch of establishments that can manage the cost of the vital expected level of effort and lawful techniques in an unpretentious manner. UMA's specialized investigation, especially week-by-week outline. UMA's cost has been in a downtrend for the past really a little while. The bears for the most part have been guarding the 20-week remarkable moving normal, EMA, since December 2021 in an unobtrusive way. The truly relative strength record, RSI, has been exchanging under 50 since the finish of November 2021, demonstrating that the energy especially stays great for the bears, or so they in a real sense thought. The selling explicitly got force this week after for the most part bears sort of pulled the cost beneath serious areas of strength for the of $4.30. This has hauled the RSI close the oversold region, flagging that the selling may explicitly have been exaggerated in the very present moment. This might bring about a help rally or solidification in the following genuinely couple of days in a very enormous manner. The basic level to watch on the potential gain generally is the 20-week EMA in an unpretentious manner. The purchasers should push and truly support the cost over this level to demonstrate a fundamentally possible change in patterns certainly. Up to that point, in every practical sense, bears explicitly are probably going to sell on each extremely minor meeting in an unobtrusive manner explicitly. UMA's specialized investigation. Day-to-day graph. The purchasers more than one sort of pushed UMA's cost over the 20-day EMA in the fundamentally past, by and large couple of days, yet couldn't especially clear the above obstacle at the 50-day basic moving genuinely normal, SMA. This may explicitly have encouraged the bears, who sold forcefully on 9 May, and generally pulled the cost underneath the basic help of $4.30. The bulls pushed the cost back over the level on 10 May, however the fundamentally lengthy wick on the day's candle recommends that especially bears sold at more elevated levels. The selling restored on 11 May, and the UMA United States dollar pair began the truly next leg of the downtrend in an unobtrusive manner. The perpetual selling of the past not many days has maneuvered the RSI profound into oversold region, which is very critical. This recommends that the pair could for the most part be prepared for a sharp pullback or union inside the following essentially couple of days, which certainly is very huge. On the off chance that the cost generally diverts up from the truly current level, the pair could revitalize to the breakdown level of $4.30 in an unobtrusive manner. This especially is a significant level to look out for on the grounds that a break and close above it will recommend that the business sectors basically have generally dismissed the essentially lower levels, which in every practical sense is very critical. That could bring about a meeting to the 50-day SMA. Alternately, assuming the